Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating the Ps5 and powering up the adapter. This ensures compatibility. Connect the adapter to a rear USB port so signal paths are cleaner, and then enable pairing mode on the dongle. Once done, go into Ps5 Settings Accessories General Bluetooth Accessories to begin discovery. You do this because the console must see the adapter first. Otherwise, headphone devices won't route audio through the dongle. You now complete the core pairing steps. Select the USB adapter in the Ps5 Bluetooth list, then activate pairing on your headset or controller. Make sure you start headset pairing right after choosing the adapter so both negotiate a connection. Timing matters. Once paired, open sound settings to set output device to the adapter and check mic status. This sequence ensures audio routing and microphone pass-through work correctly because you finish by configuring levels. Set output volume, chat mix, and mic monitoring so game and chat balance suits you. If audio stutters or drops, switch to another USB port or use a short USB extension. Interference or low power often causes issues. If pairing fails, power cycle the adapter and headset, delete the adapter entry on Ps5, then repair. This troubleshooting step fixes most problems because it clears stale profiles and forces a fresh discovery cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.